To be prayed in the morning, Goddess Mother Saraswati. Dear students, good morning. Most welcome to YouTube channel of ML Kaushik, an educationist and motivator. Today I am going to take your letter writing. In letter writing, we all have to take today application for job, as application is also a type of letter. First of all, the points at the top in left hand side, we have to write down the designation to whom we are going to write the application, then the name of that particular organization, school, college, university. After leaving online, then we have to write down subject. Then after leaving online, we have to write down salutation. Then there will be opening of application. It is to be noted down that all the lines will be started from margin line. Now I am taking an application for job. Write an application for job applying for the post of PGT in chemistry in C.V. Gupta Saraswati Vidyapeeth, Mathura Road, Aligarh. First of all, at the top, the manager, C.V. Gupta Saraswati Vidyapeeth, Mathura Road, Aligarh. Leaving online subject, application for the post of PGT in physics. Leaving online, then salutation, sir. Then from margin line, through some reliable sources, I have come to know that there is a vacancy for the post of PGT in chemistry in your school. Second style, through your advertisement in the Times of India dated such and such, I have come to know that there is a vacancy for the post of PGT in chemistry in your school. I wish to apply for the same post. I am submitting my resume below for your kind consideration. Then we have to take resume. The word resume, that is to be written in middle, in capital letters, in bold letters. Then we have to take the points. Number 1, name. Number 2, father's name. Number 3, DOB, date of birth. Number 4, permanent address. Number 5, postal address along with mobile number. Then number 6 point, that is educational qualification. In educational qualification, there will be table. First serial number, then name of examination, then subjects, then percentage, then division, then board/university. Serial number 1, name of examination AISSE, then subjects, then percentage, then division, then CBSE New Delhi. Second point, AISSCE, then we have to fill up other entries. Then third, BSc, then subject, other entries are to be filled up. Then MST, in MSc, subject chemistry, then we have to fill up all the entries. Then B.Ed, in B.Ed, percentage will be in theory and in practical separately. After this, then there will be your experience. Experience, there will also be table. Serial number, name of the school, classes taught and duration. We have to give our experience, maybe in one school, 2 schools, 3 schools. After this, then we have to bring next head, participation in co-curricular activities. Then there will also be a table. Serial number, name of the competition, then We have to bring place and organizer, and again we have to fill up 2 or 3 lines disclosing competitions. After this process, then we have to bring last closing. Lastly, I assure you, if I am given a chance, I'll not leave any stone unturned. With my hard work, dedication, devotion, and honesty, I'll prove myself worthy of the job. Then, leaving one line in left hand side, sincerely yours, or yours sincerely. Then, signature along with name. Leaving one line, then we have to bring date, then place. Let's know this is application for job. This may be for the post of clerk, for the post of accountant, for the post of any officer, XYZ. Dear students, I hope you have understood how to write an application for job. Thank you very much.